Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at one of the most expensive cases for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 5G. This one is the official leather cover from Samsung. Let's check it out. So guys, as you know, it's really difficult to find cases and covers for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 5G. And today, I was able to get my hands on the leather cover from Samsung that only protects what I call half of the phone. Let me show you why. Now, unboxing the leather cover is pretty straightforward, right? So we're just going to open it up like this, take it out of its box, and yep, this is all there is to it. This is the cover. I thought I was missing parts. I went in through the box. I checked the box again, and this is all that's there, just this. So, the leather cover from Samsung, and this also applies to the kickstand, only covers the back of the phone. Right, so we're going to go ahead and put this on. You can see how it's leather. It has kind of like a felt material on the inside to protect the back of your phone. And I'll say it's well constructed, right? You snap it on your phone like this, and that's it. You have no protection for this area, or the front of the phone. All it does is protect your camera somewhat. And you'll notice here as I put this in an angle, this is all it's protecting. Well, I think what they thought is, like, for example, if I were to take a phone, for example, so here's my Samsung Note 20, and I'm going to put it right next to the Fold. Having the back only protected makes a lot of sense. When I flip it forward here, you'll notice that I have bumper protection here covering the front of the phone. So the glass itself is not protected in any way. And that's what you would expect from most covers or cases. But in this case, all we're protecting is the back. But you very well know that you have the second part, right? This is the two pieces of the Fold that comes up well above it. So this cover doesn't protect any of the corners. It doesn't protect the spine. It doesn't protect anything. All it's doing is it's giving you a back so that if you place your phone on a surface like this, you don't have to worry about the camera module getting ruined. Really, really disappointed. But also at the same time, you need to be aware of that, because if you buy any product for your Fold, make sure that it comes with two pieces. Now, we have ordered other products, and we're waiting for them to come in I hope that before October to November timeframe. And those come with two pieces, a front piece that's going to protect the front screen, and then also the back piece. Some of them even protect the spine. So when you're looking to shop, make sure you're aware of what you're purchasing. Now, the bottom line is that I need something for this phone, and I'm going to be keeping this case because I have no other choice. I need something that's going to protect it. I did order the kickstand case, the official Samsung kickstand case, and that case too, you're paying anywhere from $59 to $79 for these cases, has no protection in the front. All it is in the back. Now, for those of you who are waiting for cases and looking for a solution, one of the things I will highlight, if you're looking for cases that have kickstands, there are alternative solutions where you can add a kickstand to any case. And I'm going to have a product in the next couple of weeks that's going to help you understand how does that work. But so far for this one, all you have is a bumper case or cover that's protecting the back, does not protect the front of the phone whatsoever. For me, it's kind of like it's a waste of money. It's really, I would not recommend buying this product because it's not going to protect the front of their phone anyway. So you may find that later on, maybe a lot of retailers on Amazon will get wise to this and start selling just the cover plates. And if you see those available, that's what I would buy. But for now, this is what the leather case looks like, or cover. Just gives you some protection here where you can come to this area. You notice it has a cutout here for your again, USB-C pinhole mic. Over here, it has another pinhole mic opening, and then that's pretty much all there is to it. Does it support wireless charging? The answer is yes. But is it worth it? The answer is no. Let me know what you thought about this in the comment area below.